Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This question is for vowel sound, okay? Choose the same vowel sound as the one underlined below. That is, choose the one that has the same vowel sound as this word here. Okay, that is this IE. Choose the one that has the same vowel sound as it is in this question. Okay, in these words. Okay. Now, before that, let's transcribe this word believe. Okay, believe is transcribed as this: believe, long e, long e. Okay, now letter A is transcribed as this: lie, lie, lie. Okay, lie. This is transcribed as this: key, long e, key. Okay, key, long e. Okay, the letter C is transcribed as this: lettuce, 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 lettuce. Okay, D is transcribed as this: cake, cake, cake. Okay, now let's figure out the correct answer. This IE here is what it is believe. That is long E. Letter A, lie. Let B, key. Let C, lettuce. Let D, cake. That is the correct answer for this question is key. That's B, because it has the same vowel sound as the one underlined in this word. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.